What is up, guys? Here with another video. I saw losers start their videos. Most people just get right into the video, which is why I don't understand why I don't do it. I'm a big loser. Alright, so, okay. Now for the waiting. The waiting. Oh my gosh, why is this beat so fast? Okay, these are for people. This lame. Label. Right. Admin. Just put it on there. So it's cafeteria. Alright, so laboratory, right? Everything else is over here. That's perfect. Wait, no, not the greenhouse. Greenhouse up here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I love being decontaminated. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Let me out. Okay. This one. This one. This one. Rest is in the reactor. Let's do this. Bomb. 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 Nailed it first try. Eat. It's just in the greenhouse. I don't understand. There's only 3 of us playing, so why hasn't... Oh hey Black, go away. I don't trust you. No. Ha! Okay. We're just seeing if you can just... Come on. No! Okay. Black vented. Black. Oh, I can't smell black. He thought I was saying Baby Yoda. Oh! Black. He vented right in front of me. Black. Yo, what? Are you kidding? It wasn't me. I'm going to tear green apart. Get out of the way. I can't spell. It froze. No, I you freeze? Why you freeze? Why you freeze? Something broke me. Alright, crewmate again. Oh my god, I'm so angry right now. So angry. Someone's coming. Why are you glitching so bad? Don't you dare touch me. Don't you dare touch me. Oh. Did you guys just read my passcode? That's my passcode, bro. You guys supposed to read that. Do we have anything useful to search? Oh, this one was tricky for me. Are you kidding me? I just wanna do it. I just wanna do my task. Why won't you let me do my task? Why won't you let me do my task? Why won't you let me do my task? My task, my task, my task. Why won't you let me do my task? My task, my task. Why won't you let me do my task? My task, my task. Why won't you let me type? Type. Might as well vote for corpse. No. Corpse, 0 plus digital baby. Yo, what a win. Excuse me. I have to get this child off my head. Darn it. I didn't get the child off my head. Yo, let's go. We're gonna win. Just easy win right here, boys. Easy win right here, boys. Come on. There's gotta be events in a hurry. Let's get out of here. Crud, I was literally about to kill Pink. I was going to win this game. Oh, dude. This is so confusing. What is this? What is this? Get that out of here. Crap. It's black. See, we're all gonna vote black. Okay, thank God. All I have to do now is just kill one person, which shouldn't be too bad. Should not be too bad. Okay. just have to hold the. Alright, I'm just gonna follow them. Where are we going? This way? Alright. That was an easy game. Easy win. Easy win. Easy win. Easy win. You get. See, I told you I was a boss at this thing. Oh, do it again! Let's go! Alright. So, I do this pretty smart, alright. Well, red's cleared. So, yeah. Darn, don't you dare. Yo, we're playing this like geniuses. Alright, let's vote green then. Yo. That may have been a bad thing to do. Oh my god, dude. That was really close. That was way too close. This is so bad. Alright, let's go. They're all gonna vote me. I know they are. Darn it! What are we doing? Green. Come on, kids. I'm so lucky that I voted for green, or else I would have been voted out. Vote first. Then all I have to do is just kill one person. It just takes 10-second cooldown, right? Let's see. Yeah, all I have to do is just kill one person. Very good. Alright, vote green. This is very intense. I'm like freaking out right now. Look at that. We got 2 army heads and 2 witch heads. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute, bro. Oops, man, that guy had rage. You guys probably always wonder why I'm looking at my window. I will never tell you why I do that. It was another tie. Yo, big two to the left. Victory's ours. Let's go. Nice. Alright. I think that's all we have time for, so I told you guys I was a boss and imposter. You know, so keep watching these videos, guys, because it makes me very happy when I see that I have lots of views. And my last video, base builder. Don't read the comments. There was some crazy comment. It's a link for like dating for you. Don't click on it because it's a lot of inappropriate stuff. So just don't click on it. So hashtag Hippo Among Us in the comments below. I will give you a shout out next video. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.